Everyone, today we're gonna do a fidget tour. So let's go. So first we have a pink poppet. So this is the quiet side, and this is the good popping side. Okay, next fidget. And then here's a I like to call him my mochi, not even like my mochi. So I like to call him that, but I know it's called a mochi. But I have this lamb one. The eyes peeled off, so yeah. On to the next fidget. After that, I have this square poppet with Snoopy on it. The 4th of July on it. A 4th of July poppet. And I got this one on Friday. But I think so. But to be clear with you, it's August 4th. On August 14th. I got this on August 14th. And let me show you the good side. On to the next fidget. This is my last fidget. Well, yeah, this is my last fidget. So I have a Nito. So, yeah. That's just the lighting. It's not, see, like that's like my, because I have like the brightness up. That's why it's doing that. So that's all for today, and I will definitely be posting at like 5 or 6. I'll definitely be posting at that time. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. So bye guys. Bye.